Kinemap Cycling Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get bored riding indoors, but the surprising truth is that Kinemap can make indoor cycling feel like real travel. Kinemap is a virtual training app that lets you ride real-world routes using smart trainers and bikes. You can cycle through famous roads, mountain climbs, and scenic routes around the world. The app adjusts resistance based on real terrain, making climbs harder and descents easier. This creates an immersive riding experience. Most people get this wrong. They think it's only for fun. In reality, Kinemap also offers structured workouts and performance tracking. Kinemap is best for cyclists who want motivation, variety, and realistic training. The surprising truth is that scenery can change your training mindset. Subscribe for more honest fitness app reviews that help you ride better.